Hi everyone and welcome back to Raymondo Lee Travel. So today with my family we're going to continue our walk around Calke Abbey, and today we're going to check out the gardens. Access to the house was not available, but we did have a good walk around the gardens. So sit back, relax and enjoy. We've done this before because I can remember the drain pipes and the patterns on each one. Goes all the way up. It's a doorbell, Jazz. The Yule log is an ancient tradition. A huge log is brought in to burn over the 12 days of Christmas. This isn't common now, but tradition lives on in the cake. Each member of staff had a present at Christmas. Each man was given a Gansey, a hard-wearing cardigan. Lucy Pegg, wife of the Calke keeper, talking about staff presents in the early 20th century. Not sure. A little greenhouse. Shell. Yeah. The Georgian kissing bell. Right? Victorian Christmas tree. White doves flew in the aviary in the 1930s. Ornamental pheasants. We have no plans to have any birds. Okay. Oh, this is the actual greenhouse. Underground tanks are used to water the plants. Oh, there's the pipework. Underground storage tanks are used to water the plants when it's dry. The original pipework's still here for it. It's seen better days, I've got to say. It's a bit overgrown.
Heating system.
Oh, the heating system for the house.
Well, for the house.
Okay. It's just the More stoves. Like the last shed, this is the garden pony shed. So I'm assuming where they kept a garden pony, I don't know. I think you can... There we are. Yeah. Old traditional panes.
Look at the top of the drain pipe, what date is shown?
Actually quite modern, 1995. It's not old. The East Stove House. God, there's lots of stoves and stove houses here at Calke. And I just told you about the walled garden. Yeah. Can we actually get into that, or is it all locked up? Oh, you can get into it, yeah. People coming out of it. You can get all the way through, perhaps. Shut the door behind you, Jasmine. It's much warmer in here. Oh, look at a Christmas tree. Traditional jazz, that is. Yeah. Yeah, it's got chilies. And other fruits. I don't know what the fruits are. They're flowering. I'm assuming we can get out this way, but I'm not sure. Hey? So from the orangery, you've got the church at the top of the hill. And the wall goes all the way around. See a squirrel over there on the wall. And now we're going to go back into another section of the walled garden. Okay, we're now in the walled garden. How's it? Is it falling off?
What will it do? Do you think?
It's a school. We've drawn big pictures of bees. I'll turn it over. What does it say on the other side? Just telling you about the bees. Oh, save our bees. And if you're wondering, yeah, we're next to the bee colony.
Matthew?
Okay, so let's show you the ice house. No one around, perfect time to show you. So this comes from the 18th century. It was built around the 18th to 19th century. And you can see, it was a massive ice house. And you can hear the other crazy people above me, called family members. Hello. And if you look at the roof here, ceiling, sorry, you can see, you can just about make it out with the camera, stalactites. Some stalactites in here, and it's obviously the minerals over the years have formed. Sort of thing you see in caves. I think it's quite amazing to see one in an ice house, to be honest. That's a good angle to see them. Look at that, guys. Those stalactites are amazing. Okay, so we're going to walk back now towards the house. It's not, a lot of the house is not open because it's Boxing Day, day after Christmas, so can't show you inside the house or the tunnels, which are pretty amazing. Unfortunately, we cannot access the grotto because they've put sheep in the field and they've locked it. Okay, we're going to walk through the tunnels now. It's a long tunnel. It's muddy, slippy. That's it, Jazz. There's a long tunnel, this, isn't it? As tunnels go. Is there? Shouldn't be. And her socks. They shouldn't be watering shoes. They're waterproof. We're through! Hi everyone, thank you very much indeed for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. We will be back one more time to check out the church and the churchyard, and then we're going to go and do a few geocaches on a small circular loop. So thank you, and please remember to check out the playlist. Goodbye.